Hello. Today we will build our little red tractor. We will see how we create this reliable machine step by step, from assembling the frame through installing the engine to adding the characteristic red elements. Ready to set off on a fascinating journey through the mechanical secrets of construction. Then we will build a wooden bridge. When he got there, he saw that the bridge was a series structure. Beams and planks had to be precisely placed to make the bridge stable. Each beam was carefully placed, and the tractor maneuvered with precision to get everything into place. When the construction was almost finished, the tired but happy tractor returned to the yard, where a well-deserved place in the garage was waiting for it. Another day full of challenges came to an end, and the tractor was already looking forward to another adventure. What little red tractor is that? Yes, it's an Indian Swaraj tractor. But why doesn't it want to start? What could have happened? It looks like the battery is discharged. I think it will need to be replaced. Let's find where this battery is located. Oh, it's here. You will need to disconnect the wires. We'll also need some sort of vehicle to transport this broken battery. Excellent. This blue tractor is perfect for this. Great, the battery is already on the transport box. We can now go to the store and exchange it for a new one. There are lots of colorful batteries in this store. Let's see what colors they come in. Red, green, pink, blue, orange, and black. Good job. The new battery now needs to be installed in our tractor. Excellent. The new battery is 100% charged. Let's see if our little tractor will start now.
short animation shows a variety of tractors in action, performing tasks in different settings. It starts with a morning on the farm, where a green tractor begins work. Each vehicle moves smoothly, and the animation emphasizes their maneuverability. The colors are vivid, and the surroundings are full of